Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So excited today because I'm going back blonde. I'm about to head to my local salon to see my hairdresser James, and he is going to take me back blonde. He is going to be touching up my roots and bleaching them. He's going to be getting rid of this blue. So if you've been watching my weekly vlog, then you would have seen that I've been using a colour remover. So I have used the colour remover twice. So my hair previously was a streak of blue at the front, then a streak of purple, and then it was all blue at the back. So there was kind of like 3 sections to my hair, and I've managed to kind of get it all just looking this kind of minty bluey green. And yeah, I'm going to be in there for quite a while today, probably 6 or 7 hours or something, because he likes to kind of lighten my hair very, very slowly. And he uses OLAPLEX as well. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the salon now. I'm gonna be filming the whole process. Yeah, so I'm gonna film the whole process. I'm gonna try and put little snippets on the screen, or I might do a voiceover, I'm not really sure. But to kind of like tell you what is going on and all the treatments and everything. So I'm gonna try and write everything down to remember. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. I thought it'd be super interesting to show you guys how to get rid of blue hair dye, obviously at a salon. I have obviously started the process at home, but yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go to the salon for them to properly do it and care for my hair at the same time, because I don't want to get any breakage or anything like that. And then afterwards, I'm gonna show the finished look. Fingers crossed, it is what I hope for. And also, I'm gonna talk to you about a couple of products that I'm gonna be using to care for my hair at home after having it bleached, because I know that will interest you guys as well. So keep watching. Guys, oh my god, I am so pleased with my hair. James did such an amazing job. I'm pretty much white. There's still a few little bits of blue trying to creep in. It's mainly just these front bits, weirdly. It's like here and here, but like the rest of it, it looks amazing. Like, I love it. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to James for doing this to my hair and spending the time. I mean, it took, how long? I think I went in there for 9 and I came out at just after 4 o'clock. So quite a while, but it was well worth it. I mean, my hair went through a lot today. I was in and out of that basin, putting so many treatments on my hair, so many toners and dyes and bleach, and yeah, it went through a lot. I have put little kind of text bits over the treatments and the processes so you guys can see everything that my hair went through. I tried to make notes and write down everything and the names of products and the brands and all the treatments and everything that James did, so you guys can fully see what I have to go through to get my hair back blonde, because it doesn't happen overnight. It takes a while. My hair goes through a lot. At one point my hair was feeling a little bit gritty. It's never felt like that before. Now it is soft, but it does feel just a little bit, not, I wouldn't say dry, but it just feels different to what it normally feels like. So I'm actually booked in for another OLAPLEX treatment next week, and I'm going to try and not wash my hair for a couple of days, and then I actually want to chat to you guys quickly about the products that I'm going to be using to care for my hair moving forwards. So OLAPLEX. Now, there are 7 stages of OLAPLEX. Part 1 and 2 you do in the salon, which obviously you saw me go through those processes in my hair dye today. And then, yeah, step 3 is the at-home treatment. So I've got all of these OLAPLEX products from Cult Beauty. I'll pop a link below. So yeah, this repairs and strengthens all hair types. So it says use 1 per week, or for really damaged hair 2 to 3 times per week, and you apply it on towel dried hair. And I actually sometimes sleep with this in overnight and just put my hair back into a ponytail or a bun or something and just coat it in this stuff. And you leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes, and then you just rinse your hair, shampoo and condition as usual. So yeah, I do use this overnight if my hair has just been bleached, so I will be using that very, very soon when I first wash my hair, and I'll probably be using this twice a week. I'm going to try and do it and leave it overnight. So that's the first product. Next is shampoo and conditioner. So number 4, shampoo. So this is an OLAPLEX shampoo, and it repairs, strengthens and hydrates all hair types, and it is basically formulated with a patented OLAPLEX bond building chemistry. It restores, repairs, hydrates and adds incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo using the OLAPLEX system 345, which is obviously what I've got. So yeah, shampoo. They also do a conditioner. I've used these both before, and honestly my hair felt amazing afterwards, and it was just repairing my hair and caring for it even after bleaching it, because you need to continue that process and build your hair back up so it's strong again. Then they recently launched 2 new products. Number 6, which is a leave-in reparative styling cream. So it reduces frizz, nourishes and protects. It just says apply very small amounts of damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends, combing through and style as desired. Apparently it speeds up blow dry time while smoothing, reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. I get so many flyaways. Strengthens, nourishes and moisturizes. And apply at night for amazing next day hair. Little tip on the back there. So James actually used all these products on my hair today, which obviously you would have seen if you're watching the rest of the video. So yes, I've got that, and I've also got the bonding oil. Boosts, shine, strengthens and repairs, and applies small amount to damp or dry hair. Yeah, and oh yeah, so when James actually applied this, he actually mixed number 6 and 7 together and put it on my hair when it was damp. So that is probably what I'm going to do moving forwards. So every time I wash my hair, I'll put those in afterwards, and then it's ready to blow dry. So yeah, so they are all the products. I'll pop links below if you want to check out OLAPLEX. You can get OLAPLEX in hair salons. You can go to James and get your hair done if you want. I'll pop a link below to his Instagram. He's amazing. Yeah. What do we think of my hair? So pleased. I mean, it's not fully like a white blonde, but it is as close as we were going to get, because blue hair dye is so freaking hard to get out. James did so well and I'm so grateful, and it looks fabulous, and I'm so excited to go and show off my new hair now. Please let me know what you think of this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, all links below for anything important in this video that you want to know about. And yeah, that's it from me. Peace out.